increase in forest area, that is from 18 point something to 22 point something, that is definitely a positive sign. Now question can be asked, land utilization is changing or has changed. Say for example, forest from 18 to 22. Now, is it a good sign? It's a bad sign. So definitely it's a positive sign. Rather, this is not enough. There should be more and more area should be under forest. So how more and more area can be brought under forest? Any one of you? How can we bring more and more area under forest? And why so?
By utilizing land properly, afforestation could be done.
Yes, afforestation. And where afforestation we can do?
Ma'am,
We have various land utilization areas where afforestation we can do. Yes.
ma'am, in the unused lands,
Unused
which are
land.
left for soil erosions.
Yes, we can use we can increase the forest land. And if you remember, if you have written second, we have written barren and cultivable wasteland. Can you see that? Barren and cultivable wasteland. Can you see that? How much it was? 12.01, and it has reduced to 8.61. Positive or negative? All of you?
Positive.
Positive. Definitely positive. It means this area has reduced from 12 to 8. It means where the 4% has gone. Definitely it may have gone, might have gone in
Forest
area. So what does it mean? 12 to 8% barren and wasteland. It should not be even 8%. It should be 0. Am I correct? We don't need any barren and wasteland. We don't need. Rather, we should convert this barren and cultivable wasteland into some useful land. Is this point clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Third area we have, that is 4.95% area, that is area under non-agricultural uses. 4.95, and right now it is 5.57. Good or bad? Positive or negative? That is area under non-agricultural uses. Non-agricultural uses can be industrial area, can be for residential area, can be for commercial area, can be anything like that. So it's okay. It's not a big alarming situation because we are using the land for some purpose. It's not waste. Coming to next, permanent pastures and grazing land, 4.7% till 3.38. Positive or negative? Permanent pastures from 4 to 3. Positive or negative? What do you think? Hurry up. Positive sign or negative sign?
Ma'am, positive, because grazing के कारण soil erosion भी होता है.
Okay. Very right. It's a positive sign. Area under this permanent pasture, that is 4.72 to how much it is now? 3. You are saying it is a positive sign?
Ma'am, because when the land is left unused, then soil erosion may also take place and it would erode the fertile land.
My question is from 4.72 to 3.38, area has reduced under permanent pasture. Is it positive or negative? Yes or no? Positive or negative? This is my question.
Yes, ma'am.
What?
It's positive.
It's positive. Anyone else? It's not positive. Area under permanent pastures and grazing land should be more. Actually, what happens now? We have maximum number of animals in the world. But whatever animals we are having, we are not able to provide them proper food. What does it mean? We are not giving them proper diet. Proper diet in the sense, whatever we eat, whatever is left out, that is given as a food to animal. That is not at all nutritious for them. It means there should be some area reserved for their food. What kind of food do they have? That is known as fodder crops. Chari, bajra, all these crops are eaten by them. But we are not giving them that kind of food. What does it mean? It definitely badly affects the health of these animals. having more number of animals, that is quantity. But if quality is so vast, do you think it is required? Answer is no. If we have quantity, we should maintain that, and we should maintain the quality. And how can we maintain the quality? By providing them proper food, by providing them proper diet, fodder crops, which are actually meant for them. So area under permanent pastures and grazing land should not reduce much. It is not a good sign. Rather, it should be more. Is this point clear? Next, we have area under miscellaneous tree crop, that is 1.50 to 1.11. It's okay kind, nothing a major change. Next is cultivable wasteland, 6.2 to 4.17. Positive or negative? Cultivable wasteland, positive or negative? Any one of you? It has reduced 6.2 to 4.17.
Positive.
Yes, cultivable wasteland should be nil. We should not have empty land which we can use for cultivation, but it is right now is just a wasteland. It's negative. Cultivable wasteland should definitely come to an end because a waste. Next we have fallow other than current fallow land. Fallow other than current, 3.5 to 3.37, almost same. So fallow or other than current fallow land, so we should not have. It is also wrong. We should use manures, organic particularly, in an optimum way. कि जरूरत ही ना पड़े to leave land as it is, as a fallow land, to regain its fertility. जरूरत ही ना पड़े. So this is also equally important. So ये भी खत्म होनी चाहिए. Last we have current fallow land, that is 3.73 to 4.76. This is also should be reduced. नहीं होनी चाहिए. Last we have net sown area. Net sown area, that is 45 say 46. It has turned into. Net sown area is total cropped area once in a year. Write down the definition. Net sown area is total cropped area once in a year. It is almost same. 45 say 46. Not a major change. And it's okay because in our country still more than 50% of population that depend on agriculture. So what is net sown area? Net sown area is, write on the definition. Net sown area is total cropped area once in a year. Total cropped area once in a year. Done? Yes, Ankita. Yes, बच्चे, ask your doubt.
मैम इमानी वेटिंग रूम में है. शी इज सेइंग दैट उसका कनेक्शन लॉस्ट हो गया था.
Who's the child?
इमानी.
What's the roll number of this child? Okay, no
14.
problem. If she's not able to join, so I can't do anything right now. Okay. Next,
And ma'am, Harshdeep too. Ma'am, Harshdeep too. She is also in waiting room.
yeah, I tried to admit her, but since long she's here only, I tried my level best. So this is all about
Ma'am,
land
Prabhnur is
utilization.
also in waiting room.
Yes. Yes, pick up or
Prabhnur is also in waiting room.
who? Okay, so this can be asked in your exam. Pie diagram would be just, say for example, you have to compare the data and you have to write a report on it. And you have to elaborate, it is right or wrong, positive or negative. And if it is negative, then what type of steps we can take? So anything can be asked. So next you can note down, in India right now we have 130 million hectare of land which is totally degraded. 130 million hectare of land is totally degraded. Degraded means a waste, badly eroded. And 28% of land is forest degraded area. 28% of land is forest degraded area. 56% land is water eroded area. 56% land is water eroded area. And rest of the land is either alkaline or saline. Alkaline or saline, full of salts. So if we are talking about who is responsible for doing all this, two activities. One is natural, second is human-made activities. Even it means we are equally responsible for degrading our environment. How come we are responsible? That is by deforestation. We have cut down the trees a lot, unnecessarily, unplanned. Second, we can say overgrazing. That is also one of the major reason for the degradation of land. Most of the overgrazing is done by the animals. So due to this, land has been degraded. Mining. Mining is when we take out the minerals without any planning. Mining वैसे तो होता है to take out the mineral. But here we are talking from conservation point of view, from degradation point of view. So mining is when we are extracting the mineral without any kind of planning. And after extraction, we have left the area as it is. हमने उस एरिया को जैसे टेढ़ा मेढ़ा uneven land is, it is lying as it is. So write down prominent thing, and this can be asked even in your map. First is Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, MP, Odisha. Write down Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, MP, Odisha. What do you think? Which prominent cause can be the reason for degradation of land? Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, MP. Any one of you? What can be the major reason for the degradation of land in this region? This area is famous.
Mining.
Yes, very right. That is mining, and that is over mining, we can say. Mining. Next, write down Gujarat, Rajasthan, MP, Maharashtra. Rajasthan, Gujarat, MP, Maharashtra. In these states, the major reason for the degradation of land is overgrazing. You have to locate all these states on the map of India. So Rajasthan, Gujarat, MP and Maharashtra, major reason that is overgrazing. Then we have Punjab, Haryana, Western UP. Punjab, Haryana, Western UP. What can be the reason for land degradation? Any one of you? You should know about it.
Could you please repeat?
Punjab, Haryana, Western UP.
Excessive use of fertilizers.
Ma'am, green revolution.
Anji?
Green revolution.
No, that
Water pollution.
indirectly we can say over irrigation, because we think we have enough water, and actually it was not now. So over irrigation, and due to this over irrigation, land has become quite saline. So these are the prominent areas which have got badly degraded because of our activities. We are responsible for that. Then how to solve it? There are various methods to conserve this. First, afforestation. Second, reforestation. I think every one of you understands the meaning of these difference in these two. Afforestation and reforestation. Next, we have grazing land should be properly managed. Properly managed in the sense, ये नहीं है कि animals are moving here and there and wherever they want they can graze. No, it should be totally, there are certain belts, certain areas should be declared for grazing purposes only. Next, we should have more and more shelter belts. I guess every one of you know about the meaning of shelter belts, if I'm not wrong. Shelter belt means जिस जगह पे degradation is taking place उसके आसपास इधर बड़े बड़े plants लगा देने या wall बना देना या fencing कर देनी ताकि degradation ज़्यादा बढ़े नहीं. That is known as shelter belts. Contour plowing, step farming, all these we have done in junior classes. So and plus if we are talking about water degradation, we can say the treatment of water before throwing it into the river. So these are the various steps up to some extent, if not 100%, but yes, we can do to reduce further degradation or depletion of land. So these are the various reasons as well as solutions we have talked side by side. Anyone having any doubt? Anyone having any doubt? No doubts. Okay. Next topic, we have soil as a resource. I think every one of you understand this meaning of soil. What is soil? How many of you have seen soil? Simple question. What is soil? How many of you have seen soil? Okay. Yes.
Ma'am,
Kamlesh.
everyone has seen soil.
Yes, Ashwin?
Ma'am, I was saying that everyone has seen soil. घर पे आती रहती है मिट्टी.
I'm not getting. Repeat.
Ma'am, I was saying everyone has seen soil. जैसे आप कल का weather ही देख लो, मिट्टी आती रही है.
Exactly. Exactly. Dhavnesh, what is soil?
Yes, ma'am.
What is soil?
Weathering of rocks in the fine particles of rocks.
Okay. Upper part of the crust made up of fine particles of that is known as soil. Importance, definitely plant growth. And if there is no plant growth, our survival is zero. We can't survive. Animals can't survive. So life depends on it. Whole of the system, whole of the ecology depends on forest, flora, this, that, everything depends on it. How soil is formed? Any one of you. How soil is formed? This you have done in 8th standard if I'm not wrong.
By breaking down of rocks and many other natural causes.
Breaking down of rocks. Who break down the rock?
Natural factors.
Water,
Anji?
natural factors.
Natural
Ma'am,
factors.
some natural
Wind,
causes.
Water.
Okay, water, glacier, sea waves, wind, they all break the rocks. Okay. What else? On what soil depends? Soil would be black, soil would be yellow, soil would be red, soil would be alluvial. Soil. It depends on what? It depends on parent rock. Parent rock, how many rocks do we have?
3.
3. Igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary. We have 3 rocks. So, what kind of soil can be formed that depend on the